Xander, what's happening, sir?
Throwing the ignition system on the Vette here.
Got the new module put in. He's putting the cover back on that. There's our old rotor. He's got the new coil in the new cap. Looking good and stylish. He's gonna get started on doing the plug wires here in a little bit. Oh, there's your old module. All right. Plugging away down here. We are diligently working. You already got the spark plugs done on that side?
Yeah, I haven't done that side.
All right, so one side of plugs is done. Do the wire set for, wow. Look at that.
Yeah, I saw that.
There was some critter action in here.
It's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, or?
Yeah, 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. I think your Pontiac's the same. I think so.
I'm not sure.
I can't remember.
I know
My brain hurts.
Chris's Cadillac is.
Yes.
I'm not gonna touch that anymore because I think that was stripped.
Don't go too crazy on that. All right, so we'll check back in here with Xander in a little bit. I do need to get that gasket for the air cleaner lid because the one that was on here is all sloppy.
That's supposed to be exposed like that?
Yes. That's an 84 only thing.
I thought there was like a screw that goes there. So.
You're a screw that goes there. All right, we'll check back in a little bit. So, here's the old cap and the old coil. That's obscure. I've never really seen one where there wasn't insulation all the way. That's a little scary. But this is also original. 4/21 of 82. Hey, that's my dad's birthday. That was like almost 2 years before I was born. That's before my parents got drunk and had a wild night in Glendale. Anyway, so that's OE, which is impressive actually. But look at this cap. There is corrosion. And there's lots of corrosion inside as well. Because it's a shitty aluminum one. Somebody probably put a cheapy cap on it. But we have one with brass on it now, so it's good to go. And away we go.